Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important factors in CNC machining: speed. Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. CNC, or computer numerical control, is a type of manufacturing process that uses computer-controlled machines to create precision parts. These machines can be programmed to cut, drill, and mill a wide variety of materials with extreme precision. However, the speed at which these machines operate can greatly affect the final outcome of the product. There are two main factors that determine the speed of a CNC machine: feed rate and spindle speed. Feed rate refers to the speed at which the cutting tool moves through the material, while spindle speed refers to the speed at which the cutting tool rotates. To achieve maximum speed, it is important to find the perfect balance between feed rate and spindle speed. This balance is known as the sweet spot, and it is different for every material, cutting tool, and machine. One of the best ways to find the sweet spot is to experiment with different combinations of feed rate and spindle speed. This can be done by running a series of test cuts on a piece of scrap material, and then measuring the results. Another important factor that affects the speed of a CNC machine is the quality of the cutting tool. Dull or worn-out cutting tools will not only slow down the machine, but they can also cause damage to the material, resulting in poor quality. To ensure maximum speed and quality, it is important to use high-quality cutting tools, and to regularly check and maintain them. Additionally, keeping the CNC machine itself in good working condition is also crucial. Regular cleaning, lubrication, and maintenance of the machine can help to ensure that it is running at optimal speed. In summary, to achieve maximum speed in a CNC machine, it is important to find the perfect balance between feed rate and spindle speed, use high-quality cutting tools, and to keep the machine in good working condition. With these tips, you'll be able to produce high-quality parts at a faster pace. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future